So this is a response to a girl who was doing a hook tutorial. And so she did it right for the most part, but I felt like there was some power that was left behind, because technically for beginners, you should do this. You should have your hand out and then twist your body, which is fine for beginner. But the problem was when I saw her throw her actual hooks, it was like this. And then I felt like it wasn't heavy enough, and that was my comment. And it could be heavier, because what you gotta do is you gotta wind up slightly, stick your arm out, and then spin with your entire body weight behind your punch. So that way you are able to generate more power from just, instead of just using your arm strength, that's a decent power punch. Gets you more speed, it gets you enough power, it gives you a lot of control afterwards. But if you're actually trying to knock somebody out, you actually have to connect your hook to your entire body like this, okay? And then actually throw the punch. It's much heavier, and you can use your entire body weight to create more power for your punch. So again, this is good. And twisting the body is just maybe 40-50% of your full weight behind that punch. But if you slightly wind up and then connect your arm to your body and then hook, it's a much heavier punch, because you have your entire body weight connected behind that punch. And that was my correction. Hopefully that made sense. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and all that good stuff. And then come knock me out sometime.